Hi everybody, Paz here. In 2024, we're reeling in our goal of 1,000 subscribers. If you love Perth fishing, please give that button a click. Cheers. I'm back after a restful holiday with the family. Of course, the call of the water is too much to ignore. I decided to head out on the yak and do something I haven't done for a while, troll for tailor. I'm a bit out of practice, and boy did I pay for it. Nevertheless, it's good to get out on the Swan and relax, and reel in a couple of fish while I'm at it. Check it out. It was a beautiful glassy morning on the Swan. As I pedalled away from shore, I did my usual thing, sending out two rods, one with a new gold lure and the other with my old faithful red double clutch. It wasn't long before it came through yet again. Unfortunately, I fell victim to the YouTube fisho curse. While fumbling for my camera for an underwater shot, the fish spat the hook and buggered off. Oh well, the day was young, and I spied a bird bust up in the distance. I made my way over. My gold lure got quite a few whacks, but no hookups. I began a wide arc around the birds. I must have hooked the smartest fish in the Swan at that point. The chopper sped around my other line, creating an absolute spider web of tangles. While I was happy to get a fish, it was dampened somewhat by having to spend 20 minutes untangling my lines. With the gold lure all but useless, I switched to a smaller silver double clutch. During that time, the tailor seemed to disappear. I debated ending the session there and then, but then I remembered something. I've caught my fair share of flathead from the shore, and have had conversations with other fishers about trying from the yak. Seemed like as good a time as any, so I headed for the shallows. I chucked out the smaller double clutch as I drifted across the flats. Boy, I love it when a plan comes together. My first cast was walloped by a 40cm flathead, ticking off my goal quick smart. In celebration, I let the fish go. The flathead recharged my session batteries, and I decided to make the paddle to a final location, Canning Bridge, the site of my best tailor session last year. As I made the half-hour paddle there, I leaned back and relaxed, marvelling at the conditions and the beautiful place we're lucky enough to live in. Beautiful or not, I had to dodge legions of crabbers attempting to take advantage of the narrow part of the Swan near the bridge. As I moved under the structure, my rod went off at once. moved away from the bridge and reeled in the chopper. Small, but great fun. And there we have it. The Swan River is thriving, and despite not totally cleaning up, any day I'm out in the water is a good one. Plus, it's good to have a crack at Tailor again, as well as tick off my goal of a flathead from the kayak. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to sub, like and comment. Or don't. Either way, I'm still going fishing. This video is dedicated to my 2 sons. This is Paz, wishing you fair winds and tight lines. Until next time.